Chapter 16 is pretty cool because personally we're going to cover some of the artwork of one of my favorite artists, and that's of Jan van Eyck. And this, whereas we saw the Renaissance as it was taking place in Italy, in different cities, we're going to move kind of out of Italy into the north and be able to see what was happening with a very important kind of artwork and style that was revolutionary, that was extremely detailed, extremely vivid, extremely realistic artwork by Jan van Eyck and some of his contemporaries. So in this module, we're going to watch a BBC documentary called Supreme Art, The Northern Renaissance. And it's a really fascinating documentary that looks at some of the particular art pieces that Jan van Eyck painted, some of the monstrosities of works that he had done, like the altarpiece at Ghent, which will be discussed in the documentary, and the Adolfini marriage, which is also included in this. And you might maybe recognize some of the art where you might have seen it before, maybe it was covered in a class, but it's also pretty popular stuff, so some of it might be new to you, but you might recognize some things you've seen. And this will give you the background of how many scholars are really arguing that the Renaissance taking place in the north was even far superior to what was taking place in Italy. And you know, you're free to be the judge of that yourself. But it's a really interesting documentary that accompanies this chapter, and so do the quiz that on Revel that's associated with chapter 16, and then in the next chapter we're going to look at the Reformation.